All right, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do something a little different today. I got a new package from SD Bullion. I ordered it on the 21st, and today is the 30th, so 9 days, and that was with e-check, so all that clearing stuff. So let's give it an open here and see what we got. SD Bullion card. We got an ad for their gold IRA. Got a receipt, which I won't show on camera. A couple coins we'll reveal here in a second. Put that out of the way. Okay. Yeah, so I did buy the dip a little bit, and then I bought 2 coins just for fun. So let me figure out how to open these here without bumping the camera. I think this is the fun coins. We'll see. All right. So I actually did something really silly here, and I bought some copper just for fun. I just wanted to compare. I know it's not, you know, worth all that much. I think I paid about $5 for one of these and 6 for the other. 1 ounce of copper each, just generic, rounds. I forget the name of this one, like a dime. Kind of cool. And I also forgot the name of this one, but kind of looks like the platinum US coins. Kind of cool. All right. And then here, I should have a maple leaf, a buffalo, and then a random silver coin of their choosing. So let's see what I got. All right, I got the buffalo here. My first buffalo, my first generic round, actually. I like that quite a bit. Liked it more than I thought I would. And then we got here the maple. And I think I got all these for about, I don't know, 75 a piece on average. So decent deal. Oh my, this is a terrible. This is my random choice. A Merry Christmas. Oh, that's terrible, but it is silver. Oh, that's not what I was expecting. I don't think I'll be doing that again, picking a random coin. But anyway, if we compare one of these copper coins, to the silver, it's definitely a little bigger. Keep dropping it. A little bit bigger diameter, but also skinnier. It's hard to tell in this packaging, but I'll get these in capsules here in a minute. 2 copper coins are looks like they got the exact same dimensions here. Let's hit them. Let's hit them with the old magnet test. Nothing. 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 All right, that's good. I'm kind of curious now what a copper coin sounds like. I don't know if that means anything, but I don't know. Kind of fun. I got these just to showcase, you know, copper rounds and I'll make a future video on those, but I just want to do a little unboxing for y'all. Anyway, till next one. See ya.